between coats. Just, you know, put it in a bag and then you don't have to wash it out. Coat number 1. Looking nasty. But first coat always does. Ish. We'll see. Those clouds ain't looking promising, so makeshift canopy, protect the paint a bit. No rain was forecast today, but hey ho, here we are, raining. Thankfully that's dry between coats, just waiting on coat number 4. It's looking better, still patchy, it is what it is, it's with a roller, you can't expect perfect results. I'm going to be covering this with a design anyway, hence why I'm doing it with a roller and not spraying it. But yeah, needs must. Right then, we have paint, and we have what I call completely winging it. So I'm just going to put a load of crap on, see what works. I definitely want to use that though, Technicolor, and got me stencils cut out, so let's get to it. Still fine off rainstorms, but here we go. Yeah, a few breaks in the cloud, let's get it done. Just give it a quick wash down and get the overspray off. I don't reckon that's a bad job.